Welcome to Client Portal. Check the status of my tax return. This link will display the tax return status of your client. It also will give you some information, for example, if the return's been accepted, the AGI, refund amount, state acceptance or rejected, and also the city. And now this is only going to work if you're using Drake, Crosslink, or TaxWise, because we're able to import the EF data from your tax software. If you're using any other software such as ProSeries or Lacerte, then there would be nothing displayed here, and the message at the top would say, for further information regarding your tax return, please click the links below. So these Federal 1040 link, Federal 1040X link, and the state refund status link, these would display, but there'd be no information in here. So you either could make this inactive or you could leave it the way it is, because it does provide the links to the IRS websites and the state site where you do most of your filing. So it could be helpful, but it's definitely helpful if you're a Drake, Crosslink, or TaxWise user. So the message displays at the top, in this example, your return has been accepted by the IRS, your refund should be deposited in your bank account on April 13th. So that's just taking into account 21 days from the date the return was actually accepted. That's where the April 13th came from, and Adam knew that it was a direct deposit. If it was standard mail, it would say you should be receiving a check mailed to you. If it was a bank product, it would actually say if there's a check in your office or if they're expecting direct deposit into their bank account. I can go back any year I'd like. I can go back to 2012 and take a look. Go back to 2008 and go back as many years as I'd like. So very helpful for the client. I can also switch it over if I'd like to my company page to see. And from here, I can also link again to the IRS, where's my refund link, and it'll pre-fill my information such as a refund amount, the social, and the filing status. So I don't even have to key any of that in. So the client would be able to just launch directly and it would give them the most up-to-date information. Regarding the 1040X, they could do the same thing. I don't believe it'll pre-fill though. And then your state refund status link, that one, you're only able to set up one state. So if you're doing multiple states, if you live close to a border, you'll have to pick which state you'd like to display here. And you do set that up in admin on the company, admin on the sites page is where you're going to set that up for the state. You just would put the URL for the where's my refund for the appropriate state. That's all I have for check the status of my tax return. Thank you.